So the first we have अपने दिल की बात बोलो. Speak your heart out. Speak your heart out. देर नहीं करना. Don't be late. Don't be late. तुम बहुत अच्छे हो. You are great. You are great. क्या तुम कर सकते हो? Can you do it? Can you do it? किसी और वक्त. Some other time. Some other time. मुझे फ़ोन कर देना. Give me a call. Give me a call. झूठ मत बोलो. Don't tell a lie. Don't tell a lie. अपना दिमाग लगाओ. Apply your brain. Apply your brain. चलो कोशिश करते हैं. Let's try. Let's try. मुझे बोलने दो. Let me speak. Let me speak. दूसरे को मत बताना. Don't tell others. Don't tell others. उसे नीचे ले जाओ. Take that down. Take that down. मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ. I'm all right. I'm all right. दरवाज़ा खटखटाओ. Knock the door. Knock the door. मैं करूँगा. I will do. I will do. क्या तुम बीमार हो? Are you sick? Are you sick? हमारे साथ चलो. Come with us. Come with us. इससे दूर ही रहो. Stay out of this. Stay out of this. क्या हो रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? बेवकूफ़ मत बनो. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. मुझे सच बताओ. Tell me truth. Tell me truth. मुझसे दोबारा नहीं पूछना. Don't ask me again. Don't ask me again. ये तुम्हारी परेशानी है. It is your problem. It is your problem. मुझे कोई डर नहीं. I have no fear. I have no fear. आप महसूस कर सकते हैं. You can feel. You can feel. ये बिल्कुल मुमकिन नहीं. It's quite impossible. It's quite impossible. आप मजाक कर रहे हो. You must be joking. You must be joking. मैं इसे कर चुका हूँ. I have done it. I have done it. Now it's time for quiz. Number 1. झूठ मत बोलो. Number 2. मुझे कोई डर नहीं. इन दोनों सेंटेंस को इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे कमेंट करके अपना आंसर ज़रूर बताएं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग.